The value of money. Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful village surrounded by green fields and flowing rivers, there lived a young boy named Raju. He was a bright and cheerful boy who loved to play all day. Raju's father was a hard-working farmer who spent long hours in the fields, growing crops to feed his family. His mother took care of their modest home, cooking meals and keeping everything clean. Although they didn't have much money, the family was happy and content. They lived a simple life, eating the fresh vegetables they grew and enjoying the beauty of nature around them. Raju, however, was still a young boy, and he didn't always understand the struggles of life. One day, as Raju was playing near the village square, he saw his friends with shiny new toys, wooden cars, whistles, and colorful balls. His friends laughed and played joyfully, and Raju felt left out. He ran back home and said eagerly, "Father, I want new toys too. My friends have them, and I want to play like them." His father, who had just returned from a long day in the fields, smiled patiently and said, "Raju, we don't have extra money to buy toys right now. Money is precious, and we must spend it carefully." Raju didn't understand what his father meant. He frowned and thought, "It's just money. Why can't we get more if we need it? Isn't it easy?" Seeing his son's confusion, his father decided to teach him a lesson. The next morning, his father gave him 50 rupees and said, "Raju, this is your money for today. Use it however you like, but remember to come back in the evening and tell me what you learned." Raju's eyes sparkled with excitement. 50 rupees. I can buy anything I want, he thought. Without wasting a minute, he grabbed the money and ran to the village market. The market was a lively place, filled with vendors shouting and colorful stalls selling all kinds of things. As Raju wandered through, his eyes landed on a man selling sweet candies. The candy was bright and sugary, and Raju's mouth watered. He thought, "I'll buy some sweets first. They'll make me happy." He gave the man part of his money and happily gobbled up the candies. Soon after, as he walked further, Raju saw another vendor selling beautiful balloons. The balloons were bright red, blue, and yellow, floating gently in the air. He couldn't resist. "I'll buy some balloons," he thought. He spent the rest of his money on a handful of colorful balloons and walked home proudly. But as the day went on, the candies were gone, and the balloons started to pop one by one. By afternoon, Raju's stomach hurt from eating too many sweets, and all the balloons had burst. He sat on the ground feeling sad and empty. He had spent all the money, but now he had nothing left. When he returned home in the evening, his father asked, "Raju, what did you do with your money?" Raju lowered his head and said quietly, "I spent it all on sweets and balloons. But the sweets are gone, the balloons burst, and I don't have anything left." His father smiled gently and said, "My dear son, this is why money is valuable. It can give you what you need, but you must use it wisely. Today you spent your money on things that brought you a little happiness for only a short time. When the sweets and balloons were gone, so was your joy." Raju nodded slowly. He realized his mistake but didn't know how to fix it. The next morning, his father gave him 50 rupees again. He said, "Try again today, but this time think carefully before you spend." Raju walked to the market once more. This time, he didn't rush. He looked at everything thoughtfully. After a while, he saw a small shop selling notebooks and pencils. Raju remembered how much he loved drawing pictures and writing stories. "Maybe I can buy something that will last longer and make me happy," he thought. He used his 50 rupees to buy a small notebook and a pencil. That evening, instead of feeling empty and sad, Raju sat happily at home, drawing pictures and writing little stories in his new notebook. He showed his father what he had created, and his father's face lit up with pride. His father hugged him and said, "Raju, today you used your money wisely. You bought something that brings your joy not just for a moment but for many days. This is the value of money. It should be spent on things that matter and bring lasting happiness." Raju smiled and understood the lesson. From that day forward, he never wasted money. He learned to save it and use it carefully for things that truly added value to his life. As the years passed, Raju grew up to be a wise and responsible young man. He remembered his father's words, "Money has value, and using it wisely makes life richer." And so, Raju not only built a happy and successful life for himself but also taught others the same simple lesson: value your money, spend it wisely, and it will bring your true happiness. The end.